Hello, this is Intrested in Interesting. I am John and today we are unboxing Seagate Expansion 1TB portable drive. Some features and information from the manufacturer. Let's see what is in the box. The box with plenty of information for the product. Information and quick start guide leaflet. The disk and USB cable are protected in a plastic box inside the box. If you like what we do here, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay in tune for future content. Here are some measurements of the disk. Seagate Expansion 1TB portable drive. A very good option to keep your files safe and always with you, without taking space inside your PC or laptop hard drive. It is fast when connected in USB 3 and normal in USB 2.0. Nothing special to highlight, it is what it is and it does what it should. The only complaint we have is the length of the cable. It could be at least 2 times its length to be enough. The disk is good, it does not overheat, it barely gets warm under heavy usage. Light and small in size so it can be called portable. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, hit the bell icon to stay in tune for future content. Leave us a comment, it helps us a lot.